So here we go, G-Loc GS-1 pads for the 2018 up WRX and STI. If you need the part number, there it is. Also, big thanks to Brian at the Mod Garage for getting these out to me quick. And also keep in mind that these do require like a 5 or 2 week lead time because these are built to order. Also, G-Loc is very well known in the track and performance community for their awesome track compounds. These are not your typical Stop Tech or Hawk pads that everyone else recommends. Now, with that said, that these are not a track compound whatsoever. These are simply OEM replacements for the OEM pads, which are known to produce a whole bunch of brake dust. Hopefully one day when I do go back to the track, I will upgrade to their R12s in front and R10s in the rear. Now, with that said, these are simply OEM replacement pads that are going to produce a significant decrease in brake dust without sacrificing any braking performance. We'll see about that. Well, it's official. My pressure washer officially died on me. So it's plugged in, won't turn on. I did go to the store and buy a replacement. I know nothing really exciting, but it held up for the past 2.5, almost 3 years. Not gonna lie. Also, I have been taking a break on filming videos, just catching up on some housework, because I do not want to do it when it starts getting cold, because it will start getting cold in about a month or so. Got this fancy face mask. #1 man rule, always wear protection, because you never know. Also, I got this cheap $36 9-amp-hour battery for all your M12 Milwaukee tools. Pretty cool, lasts a hell of a long time, and currently Milwaukee doesn't have any 9-amp-hour batteries, but I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in an M12 9-amp-hour battery, and it works awesome. And also, I want to say big thanks to Chandler. He is the guy that you've probably seen on Bader's channel. He bought my FP Green kit. I think he made like 450 wheel horsepower on a Mustang dyno on that turbo. Awesome, by the way. But I am going with a blow-off valve hopefully soon. I might be getting a new intercooler kit. I don't know. We will see. I also want to go rotated, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's super duper expensive. I only have $5 grand to spend on car parts right now, and that's still not enough. So I'm just kind of contemplating, just being honest with myself, is it even worth it? Yeah, it probably is worth it. But yeah, so tile blow-off valve. There you go, that's gonna go in the car soon as I have the piping that can accommodate it. So another addition to the garage were these Barina T5 LEDs that you see up top, and also a strip right there on top of the garage. These were on Amazon Prime. I think the whole thing was like $100 or so, but these are easy to hang. I think it's just 2 screws per each light fixture, and everything just links together. Super duper easy. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in something like this. So those light fixtures that are on top of the garage, those are just extra LEDs that I didn't know what to do with, but good thing I did. So now with the garage closed, I have a whole bunch of light to work under the hood if I need to do any work under here without having to use an external light or anything like that. But yeah, to be honest with you, it might be just a tad too bright, but you can't have enough light, to be honest with you, when you're doing work on your car. But the lighting in here is just absolutely amazing. Absolutely love it. I think they're 5,500 or 6,000 K, to be honest with you. lighting is done. Next up is to add some insulation, drywall, sand, and paint the whole garage. And then after that is gonna be the floors, which is going to be a pain, but stuff has to get done. So if any of you are like me and work from home, I got this sweet little automatic mouse mover. There you go, it moves your mouse every like 30 seconds or so, makes it look like you're keeping busy from your boss who's working remotely. So if you work at home, nice, cool thing to have. Link in the description below. I never knew they had these. Okay, so let's bed these brake pads in. All right, so let's go to our bedding test area. You guys might notice something new in the car. I wonder what that is. Got no one behind me. Let's do some braking from 40 to start out with, and then we'll go up from there. Oh crap, these things stop. Holy crap, they're not even bedded in yet. Much better than the stock pads. Holy crap. Talk about bite. That really caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie to you. From 40 again. Oh my God. Wow. These are not even track pads. These are just regular street pads. Oh crap. Now here's the thing about these G-Loc pads. Now they have been known not to work very well with other pad compounds, and they highly recommend getting new rotors or sanding down the rotors with 80 grit sandpaper. Oh my God. Wow. Not gonna lie, I'm already impressed by how much initial bite that these pads have over the stock pads. My whole reasoning for getting these pads was a reduction in the accumulation of brake dust. That was the main reason. All right, went and bought another pressure washer. Really didn't want to do that, but unfortunately that one crapped out, which you guys saw earlier. And you know, with all the money I've spent on these damn pressure washers, I should just man up and just buy a nice, good quality one that's gonna last for years. But I said screw it, I was being cheap again and just bought another cheap, typical Lowe's pressure washer. It was the most expensive one I got, so hopefully this works. Turn this sucker on. Oh, I don't hear anything. Oh, there it goes. Definitely sounds a lot. Oh yeah, that's right, it's brushless. That's why it sounds different than the other one. Definitely a lot quieter. Just takes a while to ramp up. I don't know why it takes so long. But definitely, you can tell there's definitely a lot more power in this one than the old one. That's pretty cool. You can feel the kick. Wow. Not bad. I know, it's nothing exciting. I know, it's a pressure washer. Get off my back. So I'm just out here enjoying the sunset, absolutely gorgeous. But so far I've had these pads on for about almost 2 weeks now, and so far I am absolutely happy with them. If you're looking for pads like this, make sure you hit up Brian at the Mod Garage. He'll make sure to take care of you. They do take about, I don't know, about 1 or 2 weeks to get to you, but so far so good. Now, like I said in my initial impressions, now they do have a little bit more initial bite than the OEM pads, but that doesn't sacrifice any drivability whatsoever, and absolutely happy with them. Definitely would buy them again. Good set of street pads. I would highly recommend if you own a 2018 up WRX, or not WRX, but STI. But there it goes. Oh, I will say that it does produce a little bit of brake dust, but definitely not as much as the OEM pads. So there you go. G-Loc GS-1 pads on the car. Absolutely happy with them. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.